JD 26 here, just suits your spares and hobbies. And I'm showing you olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Not the best kind, but you can get Barrio or Scalfani. I take about a half a shot glass of olive oil a day, and that helps with my heart and my heart problems. And also it helps with my blood pressure. So you could look that up and see if what I'm talking about is true. It is true. Very well hidden secret. I also take honey, bees honey. A friend of mine gave me this bees honey from a bee farm. And I'm taking that temporarily right now. I have a slight infection on my leg from a skin tear. And I take about a tablespoon of that a day until it clears up. You can also apply bees honey directly on a cut and put a Band-Aid, rub it in. So that's what I'm going to show you today, these tips for health, all natural, and the olive oil, the extra virgin olive oil is very good for you. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Good health.